May the joy and peace of Christmas fill your hearts and homes as we celebrate the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. May His light guide you, His love fill you, and His blessings be with you now and always. As we remember the miracle of that holy night, may the Christ child bring hope to those who despair, strength to those who struggle, and comfort to those who suffer. Let us open our hearts to His love and spread His message of peace, kindness, and compassion to all. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious to you, and may He grant you peace in this holy season and throughout the coming year. Merry Christmas, and may God's abundant blessings be with you always.